So today I'll be showing you how to use the Find My Phone feature on your Fitbit Sense 2. Now, if you've already lost your phone and you can't find it, then you might be in problems because you first of all have to set that feature up. Because if you go into settings and look at all the apps on your Fitbit, you'll not find the Find My Phone feature. And that's because you need to install it first. So the first thing you want to do before you actually lose your phone is set that feature up. And to do that, let me just go back to the Fitbit homepage. Simply go to your Fitbit application and then go to your profile icon in the top left corner. And then tap on Sense 2 and then tap on Gallery. That opens up your gallery page and you want to go into apps. So tap on apps at the top here and look for Find My Phone. As you can see, it's not installed, so you need to install that feature first. So go ahead and install the Find My Phone application. You're basically installing this app onto the watch because it's not there by default, and you need to set it up in case you lose your phone in future and you're trying to find it using your watch. So set it up first. So once it's been installed, from now moving forward, if you lose or misplace your phone, you can now use the Fitbit Sense 2 to find your phone. So what you want to do is simply press the side button once, and from the menu you can scroll down and you should see the Find Phone feature. So tap on that and then tap on Find Phone. And as you've heard, the Find My Phone feature now works on your Fitbit Sense 2. And that's basically how to set it up so that you can use it in future. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.